Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best rolling makeup cases that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have YAHI Tech 3-in-1 Cosmetic Train Case. YAHI Tech Trolley Makeup Case can handle up to 66 pounds weight of your large beauty products. It is available in 4 different colors. All the colors are attractive and good-looking. It comes with 4 detachable multi-directional wheels and a telescopic handle for easy transport. You can carry the upper portion of the trolley on your shoulders by detaching it. The interior of the makeup case includes large dividers to store all the products neatly and for easy access to all the beauty items. Also, the outer case of the trolley is built with the top-grade plastic outer case, metal, and aluminum edges. Just to protect the accidental damages of the items, soft Oxford cloth lining is done inside the rolling case. Moving on at number 4, we have YAHI Tech Rolling Professional Lock Case. YAHI Tech Makeup Case has detachable 4 wheels, which have swivel motion for easy transport. The innovative hexagon handle provides excellent steadiness. 4 removable trays are designed to store small items, and the bottom of the case can be used to store big products. It is a versatile train makeup case. It includes 2 lock clamps that keep your products safe. You also get 2 keys along with the rolling makeup trolley. The top-grade ASB plastic with polyester lining has been used in its construction. The aluminum sliding track provides corrosion resistance movement. You can choose between 3 colors for this case that are black, multiple, and red. At number 3, we have MEFAIR Makeup Train Case. The pink and black color aluminum frame rolling trolley case is durable and sturdy. The reinforced steel corners of the body give it a solid look. It is a 4-in-1 trolley case with 8 lock keys to ensure the safety of your expensive products. You can carry it as a small makeup kit or can store all your beauty products at a time. It has an elegant and stylish design. It has 4 rolling wheels, which are easy to rotate at a 360-degree angle and does not toddle. You can detach the wheels when not needed. The process of attaching and detaching the wheels just takes a few minutes and is not a tough task to do. The Velcro straps around the telescopic handle are used to provide more stability to the case. For greater comfort, it has a padded handle, and you can adjust the height of the telescopic handle as per your need. At number 2, we have Aliru Makeup Case. It is the top rolling cosmetic makeup case with a silver color aluminum frame. The brand has designed it in 2 colors that are black and purple. All the corners of the makeup case are of stainless steel. 2 wheels help in providing smooth motion. You get a total of 8 keys along with this makeup trolley, 2 for each compartment. The upper surface is of ABS and has velvet lining inside. You can use this rolling trolley as your small-sized kit, large trolley to fit in all the beauty products, and much more. It can be used in 4 different styles due to its removable layers. The exterior material of the trolley is heat-resistant to keep all the products fresh inside and protect them from the harsh rays of the sun. And finally at number 1. Rolling Train Makeup Case. The rolling train case is available in black, rose golden and silver color. When you receive this package, don't be afraid of the missing top section. It is hidden inside the bottom section. You can use this trolley in 4 different combinations from small to large size. As clear from the name, it is a 4-in-1 versatile trolley. This trolley has separate compartments to hold all the cosmetic items. Just to avoid the messy situation, brush holder, lipsticks, polish compartments are made separately for easy access to all the products. This makeup trolley is built with an aluminum frame, ASB surface, stainless steel corners, and velvet lining. For easy assembling, the top section can be easily put into the bottom section. The 4 rolling wheels have 360-degree swivel motion, which makes it easy to carry it while traveling. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.